I said, who that is?
All things MoElle.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mo of All Things MoElle. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I kind of gave you guys my updated favorites, not just hair, all of the things, okay? Today is day 3 of my favorites, and we are going to be talking about my favorite conditioners. So that includes rinse out conditioners, deep conditioners, masks, whatever you want to call it. That's what we're going to be talking about today. All of the products that I talk about, just as in other videos, I'll make sure that they are linked in case you are interested in checking any of them out. All right, let's get started. So let's start off with rinse out conditioners. The first one comes from Redken. This is the all soft conditioner. I talked about the matching shampoo in my favorite shampoos video, my favorite cleansers. I just have to say, in order for a rinse out conditioner to ever make my favorites list, it's really got to be something special, because I don't typically gravitate towards rinse out conditioners, mainly because I love to deep condition my hair. That is my favorite part of my hair care, my wash day. Deep conditioning is my favorite. So a lot of times I don't feel like I need a regular conditioner as well as a deep conditioner. And then conditioners usually have a whole bunch of slip, which make them great for detangling. Typically, when I get to the conditioning stage, my hair is already detangled because I've detangled it in the pre-poo stage. So I just don't find a lot of need for rinse out conditioners. However, I just love this one so much, especially using it with that shampoo. My hair just feels so soft and lightweight and airy when I use the shampoo and conditioner together. Y'all gotta try it. If you haven't tried the all soft, you just have to try it. Next up is the number 5 bond maintenance conditioner from Olaplex. Very similar to how I feel about the Redken is how I feel about this. It works very well when paired with its matching shampoo, which is the number 4, which I also talked about in the cleansers video. But yeah, I love that this nourishes my hair without weighing my hair down, especially if I'm about to like do a press style. So the press is going to be pressing, okay? There's not really a big noticeable scent. It's very light, very airy. And yeah, it does exactly what you would expect a rinse out conditioner to do, while also repairing and strengthening and just making sure your hair is healthy. Olaplex equals hair health, in my opinion. Olaplex has really helped in restoring the health of my hair. So yeah, it's a yes for me. It is a yes. The next rinse out conditioner that I have is more on the moisturizing side. This one comes from Niche. This is their Prime. It used to be called the Smoothing and Detangling Conditioner. With that newer packaging that they have, it's now called it's either like 3-minute something or 3-in-1 something. I can't remember. But I did take a look at the ingredients. There are some changes in the way that the ingredients are listed on the packaging. It doesn't look like they took a whole bunch of stuff out or added a whole bunch of stuff though. So we're going to try the new one and see how we feel about it. But if you are short on time, you need a conditioner that has slip, it's this one. But you also need a conditioner that is going to moisturize your hair to the point to where you don't have to deep condition after. It is this one. This is the answer, okay? And that is the main reason why I love it. This is just one of those when I am in a pinch for time, I don't have a whole lot of time to do a whole bunch of steps in my wash day, I'm going to grab this one every single time. And that's why it's a favorite. Love it so much. Those are the only rinse out conditioners that I have. Let's move on to some of my favorites, because I love deep conditioning. Deep conditioning is my favorite step of my wash day. This first product we talked about on my channel last year when it first launched. This is from Sacred. This is the moisturizing deep conditioner. Love her down. The smell of this is just so comforting to me. Oh, Lord. It just gives like earthy, bohemian, yet feminine at the same time. I love the way these products smell. But yeah, this is one of those deep conditioners. You don't have to leave it on a whole bunch of time, but it packs a punch and it's going to get the job done no matter how long you leave it on. I've left it on for 5 minutes. I've left it on for 30 minutes. I've used it with heat. I've used it without heat. It hits every time. I really love the texture of this. It just goes onto the hair so beautifully. It absorbs so beautifully in my hair. I'm already on container number 2 for this, and that is saying a lot if you know me, because I am such a deep conditioner hoarder. I buy a lot of them because I love deep conditioning. So it takes me a long time to get through them. Same thing with shampoos. But I've already repurchased this because I love it that much. So if you haven't tried any of the Sacred products, like I encourage you to look past the fact that it is Beyonce, because some of y'all just took that and ran with it. Like, these are actually good quality products. My hair has responded really well to them. So yes, Yes. The next deep conditioner is actually a reparative mask that I've talked about a few times on my channel, and it comes from Adwoa Beauty. This is their Blue Tansy reparative mask that strengthens and repairs. This is just a yes for me. It's always going to be a yes. I loved it from the first time that I tried it. Every time I use it, I get bomb results every single time. Keep in mind that it is strengthening and repairing, which means it has a little bit of protein in there. If you don't like florals, you might not like the smell of this because it is very floral. Now, I don't know what direction Adwoa is going in these days. I've been seeing some things on their social media and I'm just like, this is interesting. But regardless of that, as long as they leave the formulations okay, then I'm okay. Because this is holy grail status in my opinion. The next one I've talked about so many times on my channel, y'all. This should be no surprise if you've been rocking with your girl. But it comes from Soultanicals. Y'all know how I feel about Soultanicals deep conditioners. There's probably only one deep conditioner out of all of them that I've tried that just didn't wow me. But this one right here, we're going to come back to every single time. She's my favorite. She is my favorite. And this one is the Glide and Go Deep Ayurvedic Fenugreek Mask Treatment. Loved it so much that I had to get it in the big boy, the salon size. But I just love this. I can't say enough good things about it. It has slip. It's moisturizing. And you mess around and add some heat with this, like sit under the steamer or sit under a hooded dryer while you have this on, girl, what? But yeah, this is my favorite ever Soultanicals deep conditioner, and that is saying a lot because again, they are the goats when it comes to deep conditioners. The next one comes from She Scented. I don't talk about She Scented a whole lot on my channel, and I don't hear a whole lot of people talk about She Scented anymore. This conditioner right here just deserves an award. It blows me away every single time that I use it. And this one is the Marula Malo Miracle Melt Mask for very dry hair. Miracle Melt indeed. This is one of those deep conditioners that even though it is super duper moisturizing, it penetrates into my hair so well. It literally melts the tangles away. It makes my hair feel like butter when it's in, and it feels like butter when I've rinsed it out. And we love a deep conditioner that don't play in our face. Like some of these deep conditioners be feeling good once it's in there, but then once you rinse it out, it's like, where'd the moisture go? Not this one. I wish that I could go into the store and just buy this and not have to worry about ordering it online, because sometimes She Scented shipping be taking a little bit, you know, especially around the time that they have sales. If you got dry, parched hair, you need this. Yes, yes, yes. My favorite She Scented product that I think I've ever used, and that's saying a lot. Two more. This next one also comes from Niche Beauty. We talked about the Prime before. This is the Indulge. The Indulge and the Lavish were the first two products I ever tried from Niche Beauty. I keep coming back to this one. And again, I tried these products for the first time back in 2019. It's thick, but it melts into your strands. Very moisturizing. It has a little bit of slip. And it says Indulge. That's literally how I feel when I use it. Like, it feels like I'm treating my hair. It feels like I'm using the most luxurious product to exist. Something that I've spent hundreds of dollars on, and it's not. And yeah, like I said, this is one for me that I consistently come back to. It is one of my favorite deep conditioners of all time. She's amazing. It's for all hair types, but if you have dry, dull, dehydrated hair, this is one that you want to pick up. Love her. Love it. Mish, never stop making this, okay? Bomb. And last but not least, we have another goodie from Nature's Little Secret. Nature's Little Secret is another brand that I've never tried a product from them that I do not like. So for me to say that this is my favorite deep conditioner out of all of them is saying something. The Agave Nectar Moisturizing Treatment will take even the driest and dullest of hair and transform it one use, and I'm not even exaggerating nor lying. It smells really good. It smells like some sort of pastry or like a cake or donuts or like cupcakes or something like that. So it smells nice. Dry hair who when you use this. It is pretty thick. It's probably one of the thickest that I've tried from Nature's Little Secret. But again, it does not just sit on top of the hair. It absorbs really well. It applies very well. I like the consistency. I usually leave this one on for 20 to 30 minutes. I just love this so much. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. I do have a Nature's Little Secret link and code. Check the description box if you're interested. Save that coin. So that's all that we have for the conditioners video. Y'all know how I like to do. If your fave made the list, let's chat about it below. If there is a favorite that you really love and swear by, help the community out. Let us know below. But that's all I got for this one. I'll see you guys in part 4. Bye.
No, I'm still going, yeah. Who that is? All things MoElle. I said, who that is? All things MoElle. Man, who that is? All things MoElle. Okay, who that is? All things MoElle.